Let's take a look at US pre-market movers and some chart levels.
Okay, so we're staying with the retail theme. A couple of smaller apparel retailers reported last night. First of all, Urban Outfitters, ticker URBN in the US. This is one of those Marmite stocks, gets lots of press coverage for people who either love it or hate it. Trading around $31.50 after hours last night, down by about 2.26%. The numbers were better than expected, but here's the rub here: sales growth is likely to fall quarter on quarter, and that's raised a few concerns because this is the back-to-school quarter. And this is one of their busier periods of the year. It's a company that targets a younger demographic, which is why this is important. Interestingly, the stock had rallied sharply in hours, but corrected once the news about potential falling sales came out. But it could be worse. It could be in American apparel, APP, US, the ticker there. Again, probably has one of the stocks with a predominantly younger demographic, but it's struggling. 12.5 cents only, down 16.5% after hours, and the company admitted that it may not have enough cash to continue trading over the next 12 months as losses mount. To put that in perspective, it's lost around $19 million recently. It's got just under 12 left in cash in the bank, so something's got to have to change there, and it could be that the shop folds completely.
Understood. Chart levels?
Not that much going on in Europe today. Actually, we've taken the move in China quite well. Just a slight adjustment to some of the levels here then. So FTSE, we've gone with 6,500, plays 6,570. The DAX, we're now looking at 10,880, plays 10,980. So we have slipped finally completely below the 11,000 handle.
Yep.
The S&P and the Dow were both better last night and closed near the highs. So we're 2080. Plays 21.15 now to the upside in the S&P, and for the Dow, 17,470 is our downside level, plays 17,560 to the upside. Currency-wise, a little bit weaker as far as the euro is concerned, so 110.30 now on the downside, plays 110.98 to the upside against the dollar. Aussie seems happy enough to stay above 73 for the moment, so Aussie US dollar 73.30 on the downside, plays 73.65 to the upside. Dollar yen, it's all really run out of a bit of steam over in Japan, trading in a very narrow range, 124.10 to the downside, 124.55 to the upside, just looking for something to make it move.
Yeah. And
cable, as I said, that rallied on the back of the inflation number, so 156.41 our downside level, plays 157.15 to the upside. As I say, I think the rally fades, but let's see what the market says.